Alright, and hello friends, welcome back to another plan with me. I am kind of in shock. This will be my last plan with me for 2022, which is crazy to say. So I turned on some Christmas carols and let's get planning December because you can't plan December without listening to Christmas carols. So this month's theme is a Christmas tree theme and it is so cute. I can't wait to dive in. So let's get started here, and I'm using my ruler, and this is a really simple and easy theme. Anyone can do it. You don't have to have a lot of artistic ability for this one. It's just a ruler and a marker. I did sketch it out before just so it would be a little easier to do and wouldn't take as long measuring out all the lines and everything. But overall it was pretty easy to do, and I think it looks really cute and minimal. I always colored in the top of the trees here, and I think that adds a really cute touch. So the two trees on either side, as you can see, just have straight lines, and then the one in the middle, I'm doing these cute little, I'm not really sure, half spiral things, but when it's all complete it kind of looks like they're all folded under one another. So I think it turned out super cute, and I haven't seen anyone create something like this on YouTube before, but I had seen something a little similar to it on Pinterest. But overall I'm really happy with how it turned out, and yeah, I would love to know what you guys are doing for this month in the comments, and let me know in the comments because today's question of the video is, what is your favorite thing to do around Christmas time? Do you like giving gifts and receiving gifts? Do you like Christmas parties or hanging out with friends and family? Do you like Christmas carols or the Christmas food or anything? Let me know what you guys like best in the comments down below. Personally, I love giving gifts and buying gifts and wrapping them. So much fun. I just love getting it for each person individually and picking something out that I think is like them and wrapping it like them too while I listen to Christmas carols. And of course, I love spending time with friends and family, and one of my favorite things to do is build gingerbread houses and decorate them all fun. We usually do a contest with our friends or our family or anything like that, and it's a lot of fun. So that's my personal favorite. Let me know what you guys think in the comments and what's your favorite thing or tradition or whatever. But yeah, now I'm moving on to the second page of the spread, which is a calendar. I opted for a calendar and a weekly spread this month because I know with the holidays I'll have lots of things I want to do or lots of plans I have, so I wanted lots of space to be able to write everything down. I also added a subscriber count this month. I haven't done one of these in a while, and I thought it would be fun to see my growth. So go ahead and hit subscribe if you want to help that number grow. I'd really appreciate it. And then I added a little birthdays and holidays section. And then for this month I did an all caps font, as well as this other font that I've been doing for this theme, which is all lowercase letters, and then I gave a space in between each one of those letters, and I think it turned out super cute. It gives it a little bit more of a minimal vibe, so I definitely recommend doing that if you're trying to achieve those looks for any theme that you're ever doing. And yeah, now I'm just doing some more Christmas trees. Usually I go really heavy on that front cover page of my setup, and then I just kind of sprinkle the theme a little bit throughout the month. But this month, it's the last month of the year, it's the holiday season, and I just wanted to go all the way, so I put lots of doodles throughout all the pages this month, and I think it's really cute. It was more work, but it's really cute, and I really like how it turned out. So I'm just filling in these last few trees here, and then we can move on to the next page. And I recommend sticking around till the end of this video because I will have lots of additional page ideas for this month in this setup video. So if you're looking for some extra ideas, I definitely recommend watching all the way through. For this page, I'm doing a countdown until Christmas. It was super simple to make, and I think it came out so cute. I just made a bunch of little boxes in the shape of a tree, and then I numbered them all, and each day until Christmas I'll color one in counting down the days, and then on the 25th I can color in the box, which is at the top of the tree by the little golden star I'm gonna add with the gel pen. And it just turned out so cute. I can't wait to start coloring it in, counting down till Christmas. And then I also went for like a little bit more of different lettering around the Christmas tree just to spice it up. Kind of did some block lettering and then some faux calligraphy and whatnot, and I think it turned out super cute. And then on the left hand side I have my habit tracker page, and I did that same font where I do all lowercase letters and then leave a space in between. And for that space I just used one of the little dot grids that are in this dot grid notebook, and and it worked perfectly. And then now I'm just working on my habit tracker, just using my favorite gold ruler, which I will link in the description box for you guys, because you know, if you've been following along, it's my favorite ruler, and it's just so nice because it's heavy, weighs down the page, and I can get those nice crisp straight lines with it. And then I'm just taking this pen and making all my little habit tracker boxes. I think I want to do a habit this month where I track like a holiday habit or something, like a Christmas Carol. I think I'm going to track how many times, like, or how often do I listen to Christmas carols? Do I listen to it every day, every other day? I'm really curious to know because I love Christmas music so much. I wouldn't be surprised if I listened to it every day. Let me know. Are you guys big Christmas Carol people? Comment down below if you listen to it a lot or you're not really into it. This might be one of my favorite pages here, this one and the one on the right hand side too. But the one on the left, I'm doing a bucket list for Christmas, and I'm so excited for this. I can't wait to add so many things to this. We get a real Christmas tree, so I'll obviously put that on there, and then gingerbread houses and stockings and Christmas parties and all that fun jazz. I can't wait to fill this up, and I added a little Santa hat to the corner, and I just think that elevates the spread even more and takes it to the next level of cuteness, and it's just super cute. I love how it turned out, nice and cozy. I used a light brown marker for the little paper and everything, and then I just added some boxes along with some thin cursive for the little bucket list writing. And then on the right hand side, I'm working on this chart, and I've never done one like this before. It's a Christmas movies chart. So here I'm coloring in some circles for little Christmas bulbs, and I'm going to write movies on these in alternating colors. And then as you saw earlier, I made those straight lines, one at the top and then one going down the page, and that just kind of broke it up. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to rate all of the Christmas movies that I add to this out of 5 of the little circles, which are supposed to be ornaments, but I didn't feel like drawing them all ornaments, so I just made them circles. But I did put the ornaments at the top, and I think it looks so cute. I added movies with the white gel pen, and then I put Christmas in between the ornaments with my black pen, and I just made the Christmas ornaments like strings, make it look like it was going through Christmas. And I think it turned out so cute. It turned out better than I was actually expecting. I didn't really think it would come to life like this because I saw this inspiration idea on Pinterest, and then I just didn't really think it would work that well, but it did, and I definitely recommend trying it out if you are wanting to. So here I'm doing a little wish list for myself and then a gift list for other people, and I'm so excited to add things to both of these. And so I just made some little boxes on the wish list, and then I'm just going to leave the gifts list page just open and wide for any ideas I have or anything. And yeah, now I'm just sprinkling a bunch of little trees here at the bottom, and it was really fun and relaxing to doodle all these. I would love to know what theme you guys are doing for this month, or you plan on doing in the comments, because yeah, I'm really happy with how this theme turns out, and I am super excited to use all these spreads. Alright, finishing up these last few trees here, and I just want to apologize if the lighting changes. It is stormy and rainy on this day, so the clouds keep covering up the sun and everything, so I apologize for that because I am filming with natural light here. But I'm working on my first weekly spread now, and I decided to use a gold gel pen. I've never done this before, and I think it's really cute. It just adds an extra pop of color and sparkle for the holiday season and brings it a little bit next level, and I think it's really cute. I'm doing these nice tall and skinny boxes for my weekly spread, and then I added this cute little goals section with a Christmas tree, and then I just added 2 more Christmas trees and wrote December 2022 in the middle of those. Then I'm going to add the weekdays to the top of each one of my little boxes for this weekly setup and the date of the day. Alrighty, moving on to the next weekly setup, and I decided to throw a pop of color in there this week and use the red marker that I used for my bucket list spread when I added the Santa hat to the corner. And I'm just making a bunch of these boxes, so I'll have a total of 8, and then I'll have 1 spare for to-do list, just overall maybe the 3 main tasks I want to get done this week or something like that. And then I added the day of the week to the top along with the date, and then over here I'm putting a cute little to-do list and writing December in cursive and adding a cute little Christmas tree to tie it all together. And then we can go ahead and move on to the third weekly spread. And I'm really sorry, but my camera cut out like halfway through this. So anyways, it's a really simple and minimal weekly spread. Just used a green marker and made horizontal lines and added some cursive lettering. And then the goals lettering was all lowercase and 1 space apart. Then we have the fourth and final weekly spread. I'm using my green marker again, doing kind of the same setup as the red one, and just making 8 of those boxes have a little to-do list section separate. And yeah, this one I also decided to add gold lettering to at the top for the days of the week and the date of the day, just to spice it up a little bit. And I think it came out super cute. This gold gel pen just adds the perfect little touch to any spread, just to spice it up and make it feel a little bit more like a holiday spread. And I'm totally loving it. So I'm just going to finish this weekly spread up real quick, and then we'll move on to my last setup. And for this one I decided to go back to the taller, skinnier boxes just because I only have 3 and I'm using my gold gel pen again. And also I suggest you hit the subscribe button because I'm hoping on adding some fun extra pages to this month, because as you'll see at the end, I have some extra pages in this notebook that I didn't use, and I hopefully want to add something fun, like maybe some paintings in there or whatnot throughout the month, just if I want to work on that, just some different Christmas paintings or ideas for different things. So yeah, that should be fun, and I'll be sure to film that for you guys if I do add that in, and I'm really hoping I get a minute to do that on my Christmas break. I'm going to finish up these trees and then we can do the flip through. Let's go ahead and jump right into the flip through. So to start off, we have my 2 cover pages, and I absolutely love how these turned out. I think it turned out so cute with this simple quote over here that says it's beginning to look a lot like Christmas, and then I have December 2022 down here. And I love the minimalist kind of look of these trees, but it's still enough to make it feel Christmassy. And then here we have the calendar, a little birthdays and holidays section, subscriber count to see how many subscribers I have at the start of the month and then the end of the month, and try and make that number grow. And then I just have a little message that tells me Merry Christmas up here and December 2022. And then next we have my habit tracker and my countdown to Christmas, and I absolutely love how both of them turned out. This one's just super minimal, but I love the little pop of gold that this star adds, and I can't wait to start coloring these boxes to countdown to Christmas. And then next we have our bucket list and our Christmas movies here. So each movie I will give it how many, these are supposed to be ornaments, but I didn't feel like doing like a little ornament thing on the top of each one of these circles. So I'll just color in how many circles or stars I would give that movie. And then here I have my bucket list, and I can just write Christmas activities I want to do, like picking out a Christmas tree, because me and my family get a real one each year, or making hot cocoa, or just different activities like that. And then next we have my wish list and my gift list. So I can put things I'm wishing for here, and then gifts I want to get others over here, which is definitely one of my favorite parts about Christmas, so I'm super excited for that. And then we have my first weekly spread with the little pops of gold, and I love it. And then we have my red one, which is probably the most colorful spread in any of these setups for December. And then I have this really simple, just all horizontal layout. And then I have my last 2, which is this one, which is green, which is the same as the red setup. And then I have my last one, which is gold, just like the first one. So there is the little flip through. Comment down below if you have any ideas what I should do with all these extra pages. And yeah, I'm so excited to start using these, and I can't wait to continue bullet journaling throughout 2023. So if you're interested in any of those theme ideas that I will be doing, or if you want any help with your own bullet journal, be sure to subscribe so you don't miss those videos coming up, and I'll see you in my next one. Thanks for watching.